XRP holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about XRP. Guys, a lot of people, a lot of my friends, a lot of my viewers comment us and also message me that kindly please give an update about XRP Ripple coin, because you know what, it is the last up month, so a lot of people now asking questions about XRP, that which coin is best for buying, which coin will give us profit. So in this video, I'm talking about shortly XRP Ripple coin. But guys, if you are new here, so kindly make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently price of XRP in the market, so 1.09 USD dollar, that is the current price of XRP. Furthermore, you can see here, if we talk about the changes update, so now the last 1 hour update is going positive, last 1 day, last 1 week, these changes of XRP is completely going negative. So don't worry, guys, very soon the changes of XRP will become positive. Now let's do a price prediction for XRP. As you can see, guys, now from here you can see that is last 1 day price update. In the latest situation, XRP start pump. So I believe, guys, that for a long time XRP will continue this pump. Now if we talk about the changes update of XRP, so negative 0.32% changes occur in the XRP, 1.09 USD dollar, that is the current price of XRP. So guys, you know what, now my price prediction for XRP is 100% positive, as I predicated also in my previous videos, that guys, in the last of October there is 80 to 90% chances that the price pump. And now everything is on the front of your eyes. As you can see here, in the latest situation, XRP price start moving upward. So I believe, guys, that they continue this move for a long time, guys. So what you think about this move? What's your prediction? What's your opinion? And also tell me in the comment box that how do you feel today about XRP. I'm feeling very well about XRP. So please tell your opinion in the comment box. Hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.